The way is clear, the light.
Brockville Operatic Society is presenting Into the Woods beginning tonight and running until Saturday night at the Brockville Arts Center. James Lapine and Stephen Sondheim's fractured fairy tale, Into the Woods, starts with the familiar stories of Cinderella, Jack and the Beanstalk, Little Red Riding Hood, Rapunzel, in all tied together with a new story of the baker and his wife, who are trying to conceive a child. In addition, 3 well-known community members will be lending their voices to the upcoming production. Director Barry Whiteland explains that they have an unseen part of a giant in the show, and they thought it would be an interesting idea to ask well-known local members of the community to voice the giant's part for each performance. This is also the Society's way of showing their appreciation to the organizations and individuals in the arts community. Judy Barry, Executive Director of the United Way of Leeds and Grenville, will perform on opening night tonight, while Rihanna Robbins, radio announcer for Chum Radio Brockville, will perform on Friday, February 18th, and Pat Marshall, a long-standing member of the arts scene in Brockville, will perform on Saturday, February 19th. Into the Woods takes place tonight and continues through Saturday at the Brockville Arts Center. All performances start at 7:30 p.m. Tickets cost $25 per adult and $23 for parties of 20 or more, plus HST and box office charges. Due to the themes in the production, parental discretion is advised for younger audience members. Dale Elliott, BNTV News, Brockville.
Into the woods to get my wish.